in my home we have been reading a lot of books and listened to music, but actually I was in a like when I was like kindergarten or like music school for kids, the teacher said that, oh, you should put this girl to the music school, to my parents. And then when I needed to choose an instrument, I actually lost one of my fingers when I was 1 year old in an accident. So they said in a music school that kantele, you don't need it so much. So that's why I started to play kantele, and then I never stopped. Basically.
This next song is inspired by winter. I live in Helsinki, which is really in south in Finland, and we have also sea next to our city. And in winter times it's really dark in Finland, but when the snow comes, it brings the light, and also our ocean is frozen. So I love to go to walk on top of the ice, and also I like to go swimming in the ice hole. It's really cold, but it feels really good, and sometimes the ice is making amazing sounds. So this is Ice Yeah, inspired by the different things what ice can do.
Mm-hmm. you talk me? I know you talked a little bit about the instrument, but can you talk? You want to talk a little bit more or something? This is from Finland.
Yeah, this is the. Yes. Yeah, of course.
Oh my God, sounds so good.
So it's a little bit like a harp with steel strings. So I have here 7 bass strings, 16 melody strings, and I play mostly with fingers. And also in kantele, I can also we blend fingers. So it's like right, left, right, left, right, left.
Do you teach?
A little bit I teach. Sometimes I had more students in the past, but now I tour so much. So I usually have some workshops, and I have now 1 student. And sometimes I also use with these sticks. This is a traditional style. So there are many sizes of this instrument in Finland. Smallest is just 5-string kantele, really famous with the kids, popular. And then the biggest one is 40-string, and almost the same instrument you can also find in Baltic countries. So it's kind of sister instruments in that area. But this comes from Finland, and this model is just in Finland.
Älä sulje mun suuta, mun puhun kovaa. käännekielisen kuolion tallos. Se on maraton, niin silloin astuu käärme. Hei, mutta musta vanhainen läpi mättää meni ja pidät piru hevostasi sut ja suunsaan, niin silloin astuu käärme. Hei, mutta musta vanhainen persikele purkat karvan manaan kieles kuolio, niin silloin astuu käärme. Mieleenpäsi käärme huiskii mun nimeä. Mieleenpäsi käärme, sen otan hengiltä mieleenpäsi käärme huiskii mun nimeä. Mieleenpäsi käärme, sen otan hengiltä mieleenpäsi käärme huiskii mun nimeä. Mieleenpäsi käärme.
What advice you give somebody who wants to start playing that instrument?
I think kantele is one of the most easy instrument to start. So when you want to master it, then you need to practice that because the tuning is there. So I think kantele is so nice for the people in every age to start. So I can promise that you can in 10 minutes you can play kantele.
You have any idols that you like in music, whatever that somebody inspired you?
I think many artists, but mostly I feel that like powerful solo artists I like a lot in different countries. But I listen a lot of different kind of music. I listen electronic music and folk music and all kinds of. Even I was a teenager, I played Metallica in kantele. You know, nothing else matters. So I always like to see some artists, I don't even remember any names, but if they have a nice, you know, like visuals and they like what they do, so that inspires me. So they just do what they want.
What do you think about Pico? You come from Finland, a place so far away, so different from Azores. I never been to Finland, and imagine we all have that very cold, the Nokia. That's what I know about Finland.
Yes.
The cell phone Nokia
Yes.
and the cold. Tell me, how do you think about feeling in Azores? How is for you coming here?
I think in
So different probably. I
it's
don't know.
yes, the mountain. We don't have mountains in Finland, so definitely the Pico is there. And actually, I swim a lot in the sea, in the ocean, but it's not so salty in Finland. So now when I went swimming, it's like salt.
you know,
It's so different. But in some
And the water probably not as cold, I don't know.
yeah, it's quite the same. It was I was expecting more warm water, but it was quite cold. I went to swim, but I think that Finnish people and I like nature, so that connects. I think us and I think Azor people in Azores, because I think people like to hike and go to the nature, swim in the nature waters. So, but there's so different landscape. Like Finland is quite flat.
Jando, 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 jando. Nice, beautiful. And then there's a lower one. Let's try that out. Jando, jando. Yando, yando. Oh yeah, you are singers. Yando, yando. Nice, and then there's one, it's just one note, it goes like this. Yando, yando. Yando, yando. Yando, yando. Nice. Of course, because this is a kind of folk song, you can make your own harmonies, you can change, whatever. There's no mistakes, just different variations. So pick one and let's try it together. Yando, 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 yando. Meinasin olla yksin, mä meinasin olla
Sillä pojalla oli oliviniluonto ja nauru sen silmistä tuikki. Sillä pojalla oli oliviniluonto ja nauru sen silmistä tuikki. Jando, 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 jando. Mutta syksy se saapui ja kuivui vettä keltaisiksi muuttui. Syksy saapui ja kuivui vettä keltaisiksi muuttui. Ja syksyn tuulet sun naurusi vei ja pilvet mielesi muuttui. Syksyn tuulet sun naurusi vei ja pilvet mielesi muuttui. Jando, 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 Ruusunmarjat ei punaisina ottaa ja lehdet jo taittaa kultaa. Ruusunmarjat ei punaisina ottaa ja lehdet jo taittaa kultaa. Ruusunmarjat ei punaisina ottaa ja lehdet jo taittaa kultaa. Ruusunmarjat ei punaisina ottaa ja lehdet jo taittaa kultaa. Se voiko täydestä selvitä, jos se juuret ei yllä multaa. Se voiko täydestä selvitä, jos se juuret ei yllä multaa. Jando, 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 Yando,